Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing well. I am blessed to see another day. So got a little something different for you today. Today we are gonna be working on my 2019 Harley Road Glide. We have a little plug, Apple CarPlay plug to plug in on this. So to do that, we gotta take the front fairing off, and plugs in right behind there. So first things first, we gotta get this windscreen off, 4 screws, and then we gotta pop out that Allen down there and unplug some plugs. There's a couple T25s right here to take loose. Screw behind the speaker grill, and the whole thing should come off. So let's get to it. All right, so we remove these 4 screws. Then the black cover piece just pops off. Now we got, like I said, a couple of T25s. There's one there, one down the bottom, one there, and one there. Get those loose. There is a couple screws behind the speaker grill, and then the turn signal screws. All right, as you can see, I got aftermarket amp and stuff. I just kind of got it hanging because my CarPlay, the plug that I needed, was stuffed back here. It's actually this one. So let's undo that. If I can do this with one hand, plug that in. Now, come around, we should be able to cut it on. Make sure it's not, just turn it down. So now, should be able to, now, got CarPlay. And everything should work just like normal. And the only thing that I guess kind of sucks is that it's not wireless CarPlay, so you still have to have your plug plugged up. But basically that's it. All you do now, you just tuck your wires back in. I'm gonna remount my amp. I had cut the zip ties on all these wires, so get all this stuff put back in here, and then you put everything back together in the reverse order. I don't really think I need to show you guys how to do that. Just put it back together the same way you took it apart. So yeah, man, that's something quick and simple. I think I got that plug off Amazon for like 15 bucks or something. So if you want to have Apple CarPlay in your 2019 and up Harley with the Boom GTS system, get that. Real simple, man. Take about 5 minutes, and you can have CarPlay on your bike. So, as always, like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Stay safe. Catch you in the next one.